XVONE, up for critical review is Mark Passio in a piece titled Earth is a Prison for Thieves.
Earth is a prison for thieves. It doesn't have to be, but that's what it is right now. Humanity, in their ignorance, in their nonsensical religious garbage thinking, and in their belief in authority, have created a prison out of the earth, and it is a prison for thieves that will remain a prison for thieves until people realize theft is wrong in all of its forms, and we shouldn't do it, and we shouldn't condone it. And we're so far away from that understanding. We are so sickeningly far away from that philosophical and spiritual understanding that it's absolutely laughable. It's tragically laughable. Tragically. What people believe is important and what people think the solutions are tragically laughable. Listen to what the real 7 deadly sins are: murder, assault, rape, theft, trespass, coercion, deception. Those are the real things that diminish and defraud and take away from someone else. Murder, theft of life without right. Assault, theft of well-being without right. Rape, theft of sexual association without right. Theft of property without right. Stealing of property without right. Trespass, stealing of security in one's living space without right. Coercion, taking someone's ability to make informed decision, taking someone's free will choice away from them without right. Coercion, the threat of violence if you don't do what someone else commands, because they're claiming to own your free will and your behavior, and therefore, by extension, your body. And then deception, taking someone's ability to make truly informed decisions, but by consent, without right, but through deliberate, lying. That's deception. So these are all forms of theft. The true law of the creation is one statement: don't steal. Don't take that which does not belong to you to take. All rights are property rights. Everything that we truly should own is protected by our inherent natural rights. What we don't own, we shouldn't go and take from other people. That's theft. Whether it's murder, assault, rape, theft, trespass, coercion, or deception, they're all forms of theft. So it's very simple. Doing what is right comes down to one thing: don't steal, don't take property from others that doesn't belong to you, and don't condone those who do that. Don't say that that should be done by other people.